Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 18 apps name are not showing on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Press and hold the home screen. Tap on edit option. Then click on customize option. Select small option and tap on done. Apps name are showing on home screen. Solution number 2. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset home screen layout. Again to confirm reset home screen. Thanks for watching this video.